Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Got a beautiful day. We're down by the coast. Finally have some sun today. We stayed in a really nice bed and breakfast. Well, a bed, no breakfast. I should have had a good night's sleep, but my cat sitter left the door open and the cat got out, so I was scouring the cameras trying to figure out what he was up to, and then he went on about a 6-hour jaunt before he finally wandered back in at about 10 p.m. last night. So the stress is off from that, so now I can continue on enjoying the vacation. We're heading down on the Copper Coast right now, and we're going to be hitting Blackrock Castle as our first stop. And there it is behind me, Blackrock Castle. There seems to be obviously castles everywhere. When you think of castles, you think of big grand structures, but they call castles just anything. This one's fairly tiny. It's the oldest surviving structure in Cork that's still in use today. It was originally built as a fortification for the river inlet. Well, there it is from the courtyard. We can't get inside, and it's so tiny, that's all we can see. So we drove all this way to see Blackrock Castle for 5 minutes. The Blackwater Castle was a bust, but we've ended up in Cobb, where there is the Titanic experience. Cobb is actually the last port of call for the Titanic.
Okay guys, I'm going to give you your boarding passes. Okay, and you are John Linan. You're 61, travelling on your own in second class.
Oh, second class.
Okay,
Ooh.
Those are tickets of actual passengers who boarded here in Queenstown. That's the original door there. They would have come through that door.
The Titanic is the largest man-made moving object ever built, almost as long as the Eiffel Tower is high.
Well, the boarding pass I got was from John Linan, and I was lost at sea. Brenda survived.
Norma O'Leary.
Okay, we finished up at the Titanic Museum, and now we've made our drive to the Blarney Stone Castle. So we should have better luck getting into this one, but it's a hefty fee. I believe it's about 18 euros. I'll confirm that on the other side. Okay, we just walked through the entrance. Yeah, it was 18 euros per person for an adult. We are senior, only 14. So buy a senior's ticket. I don't know if there's anything else to do here at the Blarney Stone, but we'll find out. Oh, it's a Kiss the Blarney Stone. Wow.
Bottom stone now.
Oh, right there. I'm short. That was a long reach.
Behind something.
Yeah.
Don't go too fast to the camera here.
There we go. I've done it. There you go. I kissed the Blarney Stone. So they say that by kissing the Blarney Stone, Blarney, you get the, I don't know what to say. They say it's the gift of the gab, and now I've lost all my gab. And that concludes the Blarney Castle visit. Pretty steep price, but it's one of those things you do once and see, so got her done. I'll never do it again. Some of them you think they're big, you think of castles, and was originally built as a fortification to this is the second most impressive waterfall in Ireland. So Blarney Castles, Blarney Castle,